So here are three popular bass lines I feel every Afrobeat producer should know and know when to use them. So this type of bass is used to introduce sections of a song, like you can use it for your intro or to just introduce your new hook that comes in, all right? So the next bass we're going to look at is the chopped bass. This is used to build tension in a song. And then the third bass that is very popular is used in Afrobeat is the melodic bass. It's usually used in the verses, all right? And it's usually used to complement the drums.